Understanding color correction in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of color correction. This is a term you might have heard in various contexts, particularly related to photography, film, and digital media. Let's explore what it means and why it's important. Color correction is the process of adjusting the colors in a photo or video to make them as accurate and natural-looking as possible. It's a crucial step in visual media production. The goal is to ensure that the colors in the image match what we see in real life or create a specific mood or atmosphere desired by the creator. Color correction plays a vital role in media production for several reasons. 1. Enhances realism. It makes the images look more realistic and relatable. 2. Sets the mood. Different color tones can evoke different emotions and set the mood for a scene. 3. Consistency. It ensures consistency in colors throughout a series of shots or scenes. 4. Corrects imperfections. It helps in fixing any color-related issues caused by the camera or lighting conditions. Color correction is typically done using software tools. These tools allow editors to adjust various aspects of an image's color, such as brightness and contrast, adjusting the light and dark parts of the image, saturation, changing how intense or muted the colors are, hue, altering the actual color shades in the image. Color correction is an essential aspect of creating visually appealing and emotionally engaging media. It's a skill that combines art and technology to bring life and realism to images and videos. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics of color correction. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the colorful world of language and media.